AI inventions have helped humanity in one way or another. But sometimes some mentally perverted men make use of them for destructive purposes. A brave, new world can be ushered in only if we put all these inventions and discoveries to good uses. The lie detector is an instrument that helps police officials and company directors to a very great extent in their work. The human body reacts differently to different kinds of behavior and emotion. When a man tells a lie, the nerves and blood vessels in his body reacts in a slightly varied way. Polygraph is an instrument that can find out whether a man is telling a lie, by noting these variations in his blood vessels and nerves. Almost all detectives, all over the world use lie detectors when questioning suspects. When a person is being questioned, sensors attached to the nerves and veins note the person's reactions. After examining these reactions, it is possible to find out whether the man is lying or not. The idea of a lie detector was put forward by the American poet Edgar Allan Poe. The tale Heart, which was one of Poe's short stories, describes how a detective uses a novel machine called a lie detector to find out who the murderer is. In 1902, 50 years after this story was written, the lie detector was invented by James Mackenzie, a Scottish cardiologist. It was only after 19 years that an actual lie detector, exactly like the one described by Poe, was created. It was invented by John Larson in 1921, who was a medical student at California. In 1924, American policemen started using the lie detector while questioning thieves and criminals. Apart from policemen, several large firms also use lie detectors while recruiting new employees. Lie detectors have not been fully approved of by psychologists. They argue that it is not possible to find out if a person is lying merely by testing his emotional reaction in a particular situation. The very fact that one is going to be subjected to a polygraph test is enough to cause variation in one's blood pressure and heartbeats. This is actually a drawback of the lie detector. Hence the courts of many countries do not accept the evidence given by the lie detectors as trustworthy. However, lie detectors do give some help to detectives when they try to make a headway in some complicated cases.